Hi, my name is Patrick Chan, the best-selling author of Wake Up Millionaire. During this video, I'm going to share with you how you can generate income from the internet. I know, it's quite a big claim to make, but you'll see how easily it can be done at the end of this video, because I've done it. Here's the story. You see, I've been using a proven way of making money online in the internet marketing niche, and I'm really pleased to announce that it has been highly profitable. Not only that, it's also currently generating income on autopilot for me. Here's exactly what I did, and that you can copy down to a T. I've developed a powerful marketing software to make money from the internet and created a new membership. But instead of selling them to customers, the software and training courses are given away for free via a secret web page that I've created, not available from any of my official websites. Now, when they requested for the software and became my new subscribers, I'll continue to send them valuable reports for free. But found in each of these emails sent, there will be a promotion of an affiliate program where I'll be able to make an affiliate commission. And sometimes I'll send them product recommendations to buy too. The products promoted are from ClickBank.com, mainly because nowadays, ClickBank only approves legitimate products into their affiliate program marketplace. This way, I know I'm promoting only good products and adding value to my subscribers. Secondly, the typical commission package for a ClickBank product is around 50%. And also, I've been invited to ClickBank's HQ in Boise to meet with their top management executive.
Hey, what's good, learning machines? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this video, like, comment, subscribe, you know the drill. By the way, guys, thank you for all the support. I love it. It is great. I appreciate all the comments I'm getting and likes and shares, everything like that. So thank you so much, guys. Anyways, let's talk about real quick how you guys can make money. All right. So how you guys can make money, an easy way. I know for a fact that you guys are serious about this and you actually want to be successful, and you probably will be successful if you watch this video till the end. So do that. But I'm gonna give you some tips in this video of like how you can straight up earn money on the internet, okay, this year and many years to come, okay? So here's how to make money. As you can see, I'm just showing this screen right here. I just figured I'll just talk over this screen. This is actually my All That Matters course. Everything that matters about like marketing, business, and sales and everything. This is what I've accumulated over many, many years. I've made thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars, close to dang near $1 million, and hopefully soon. But yeah, this is like accumulation of everything I've ever learned and the best tips. This is my most valuable thing. It's new. I just wanted to let you know about that, but it's in the description. But let's give you guys some tips real quick, okay? So let me pull that up. Okay, guys, so let me give you some tips that are inside. So copy what works. Straight up, time and time again, I've noticed copying what works and what others have done before you that works, that is where the money is, okay? You have proof that there's money there, and then you success leaves clues so you know what to do, okay? So everything that people are doing to make money should be obvious to you. I mean, there's the clues there. Another one is everything's a numbers game. No matter what, a certain percentage will always convert. It's about getting them to convert at a lower price or increasing the amount that you earn per conversion, or just sending more and more traffic to whatever you're selling at the average conversion rate that you are currently getting, okay? Another thing is, in everything, it's just about buying low and selling high. You see this in real estate. You'll see this in advertising. You'll see this in like trading your time for money. You'll see this in service-based businesses. You'll see this in like buying free, like going on Craigslist or going on these other sites where you can buy things for cheap and then you can resell it for more. Stuff like that. And then big businesses, that's basically all they do. They buy low, sell high. Also, drop shipping, for example, you're buying products from China not even storing them, and you're just marking up the price, bro. And every time you get a sale, then you can fulfill that, but you already made that profit. Okay. So anyways, everything has to do with that. And that's so important to understand. Next is whoever can spend the most to acquire conversions wins. Okay. Time and time again, that is the truth. And how you do that, dude, you got to have something really high ticket in your back end. You gotta sell like tons of offers. You gotta have your own offers. You gotta have affiliate offers. You gotta have continuity. You gotta have high ticket. You gotta have a huge value ladder in place that allows you to monetize your niche as much as you can. Okay, and that's how you're able to win in any market you enter into. If you look at what I'm doing, I have very high ticket courses in my back end. I got multiple offers. I bring value to people. I have high ticket consulting, etc. That is how I can compete in my market. Okay, and it is a very competitive market, and it's also small. If you look at the biggest views of the kinds of videos I make, the highest you can really get to is 1 million views. When you look at entertainment niches, they can reach 100 million views. So it's all about what niche you choose to be in, by the way. Another cool one is taking calculated risks, all right? Whenever you're about to take action on a business idea or strategy you have ready, you need to run the numbers beforehand of what you think, like a hypothesis. And then you run it, and because you took the calculated risk, you calculated your numbers and saw if it would be profitable, then now you can take the risk, okay? And so that's super important, okay? Next is just randomly in here that I'm talking about inside the course. I'm on another screen, by the way. Sorry, excuse me. The next one would be you got to break even. So whenever you're sending paid traffic and you're acquiring customers, dude, you should be the happiest person ever if you're breaking even on your ad spend. So you make $1, you make $1 back. But guess what? You acquired a customer. Now you can follow up with them instantly after that and sell something. You can upsell other things down the road. You can have an autoresponder in place of stuff to sell over time. And then you can email blast them with follow-up funnels or follow-up offers and all these things forever. Okay? And that's what I'm doing with my affiliate marketing businesses, sweepstakes, this business, this YouTube channel, and then the health niche I'm in, making the most. And that's really the key, man, acquiring customers and following up with them. Okay? And then another one, and the last tip real quick, is there are 3 ways to scale any business, and that is with more traffic, lower the cost to acquire customers, and increase your average order value. Okay? So that's the last tip. By the way, inside this course right here, this mini course that's insanely valuable, and I put tons of hours and time into, and it's valued at what is right here, $1,500. It's valued at more than that, just so you know. Okay? And I want you to know this has the potential to change your life, and I will be raising the price soon. Get it now while you guys still can, and have a nice day. Check out the other videos, and peace out.
You can get that in the description below. So let me go over a couple of these things, and I'm going to tell you guys the truth. I did put this in a content locker because that way you're not paying for it, and I'm getting a little change off of it, But it is in the content locker, so just so you know when you click on the link below. But it is free. Now, you can see you're going to be going over PayPal working capital, Facebook spending limits, building your email list using affiliate bonuses, high converting offers. The guy literally goes over everything. Look at the length of these videos, 31 minutes, 26 minutes. He literally put his all into these freaking trainings, and it shows because they're extremely powerful. Wow, this one kind of blew me away. Wow, just the working capital loan that you can get with PayPal to be able to fund your business. It's nuts. It's just all kind of secrets in here, man. And then he goes over, Facebook ads, a bunch of Facebook ad stuff. Your advertising. It's just a bunch of different techniques and things you can do with Facebook. And then he goes over the list building, different creative ways to build your list, how to use ethical bribes to, for your audience, and autoresponders. As you guys can see, these are all these videos are pretty lengthy. 17 minutes here, 2 minutes, 4, 7. So this course is nuts. You know, and I figured this would really, really help you guys. And this is some of his case studies that he's done, just showing you some of his results. You know, how he made $72,000 off affiliate link, 15,000 there, 55,000. So he's going through these videos showing you his proof that he's made with his email lists and other things, and kind of giving you guys just that proof factor, just so you know that he's the real deal. You know what I mean? All these different case studies, you know, won $113,000 is just nuts from promoting an offer on these platforms that he's letting you know about, you know, which is JVZoo, ClickBank. And he kind of goes in and shows you what he did, how you can do the same thing. It's just crazy. And so I want you guys to be able to get all of this stuff. It's nonstop. You know, Facebook video views, how he can get them for less than, you know, freaking less than a cent. Just all kind of stuff, y'all. And he got webinars, a two-hour webinar, a 1 hour webinar here, just going over, talking to, you know, $500 million guys, and just all kinds of content, guys. I think you would love this. It would definitely help you in your marketing and all kinds of stuff. So I want you guys to be able to go in here. You also got smart launches, 16 per day case study, all kind of just tons of training, all right, that you can use to grow your online success. I figured you guys would, you know, enjoy this training, because I went through it and was blown away, because I was actually going to take some of this stuff and make videos about it, but I was like, I figured I could just give them the whole training. But yeah, it is in a content locker. It's very simple, guys. I made it simple so you can go ahead and get through there quick. You know, it won't take you through a bunch of pages or nothing like that. And then you'll be able to unlock it and get the training. If you guys have any questions or concerns, let me know. Other than that, you guys enjoy your day. I will be making a couple more videos in the next few days. Just kind of took some time off. So, yeah, I'll be back though. Peace.